My full name is Angelica Yvette Gonzalez. I was born in Seymour, Texas to Valeriano and Alicia Gonzalez, and I'm majoring in Spanish at ASU. 3 words that describe me are determined, helpful, and kind. All 3 of these qualities have led me to teaching and have led me through life. I first came to the United States when I was in 1st grade. Along with a new country came a new school and an entirely different culture. Having my mom as a teacher helped me make a successful adjustment to life here. I had been attending her 2nd grade class in Zacatecas, Mexico, so my math, reading, and writing skills were advanced. Although it was all in Spanish, it still helped me when learning English. The first 4 years I was here, I attended ESL classes. The teachers there knew how to speak Spanish, and I only felt comfortable speaking English to them. Although teachers were very helpful, I can't emphasize enough how important family and friends are. Because I was attending so many classes, I had triple the homework. Without my family and friends sitting down with me for hours at a time, helping me to do my homework, I wouldn't have learned anything. Once I learned how to speak English, I began to help others. Throughout high school, I tutored a family who spoke only Spanish. Seeing their struggles and remembering my own struggles, I decided to teach. My parents and my little cousins are my biggest motivators. Although my mom and I moved here when I was 6, before that my dad had lived here alone, working odd jobs in order to bring us here. They gave up their careers and their families to come to America in order to give me more opportunities, and I do not want to let them down. I am also the 2nd child to go to college in the family, adding to my desire to achieve my dreams, so my little cousins can see it can be done. My ultimate career aspiration is to become a high school Spanish teacher in a rural town. By teaching high school Spanish, I can open more doors for my students, and by teaching in a small town, I want to do all I can to give my students the same opportunities they would receive in bigger schools. I want my students to see that not only can they learn, but they can go as far as they want in life. With ESL students, I have the power to influence them because I know what it is like to be in the same situation. I can use those struggles to help them succeed, which would be the biggest thank you I could give to all those who helped me.